Prince Rupert is the only city in the Great Bear Rainforest, and around 14,000 people live here. You can travel here by road, air, rail, or sea. Like the many bears who call the area home, I am craving wild salmon. If you like sushi, which I do, Prince Rupert is a great place to come. I'm with Dai Fukasaku, and he is a sushi chef who chose to come to this place, which is right on the Pacific Ocean, so that you could have access to delicious seafood, right?
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about your connection to ocean-wise and sustainable cooking when it comes to sushi.
Well, when I first opened up my restaurant, I wanted to focus on local seafood. And I wanted to see if I can run a sushi restaurant with local seafood only. The answer was yes. And then I wanted to see if I can focus on sustainable seafood too. The answer was also yes. So I tried to source local seafood, which was caught in a sustainable manner, which means it has least effect to ocean. It keeps ocean healthy, and it keeps us healthy too.
Okay, let's talk about this octopus. How come you have this here?
Well, I got a phone call from shrimp fisherman yesterday, and he was like, Dai, I got an octopus in my shrimp trap. Would you like it? I was
Wow.
like, sure.
Okay, what are we gonna do with this?
Okay, so I'm gonna need your help
great.
cooking octopus together. This one was previously wrapped with salt and daikon radish for 30 minutes total. Salt removes the sliminess. Daikon radish works as the tenderizer.
Wow, look at these suctions.
Yeah, these are the big guys.
Whoa,
Did
this
you
is
hear
not
that?
a joke. Yeah, it's all suctioned to the bottom. And how do people eat this?
So we're gonna boil it, and we're gonna eat it thinly sliced.
Wow, okay, well, let me see how I can help you here.
Okay, so we have water right here,
Okay.
boiling. That I'm gonna turn it down a little bit because I don't want it to keep boiling.
Okay,
I'm gonna put a little bit of salt for the taste.
okay.
I'm gonna put a little bit of green tea.
Green tea?
Yeah, green tea is color enhancer.
Really?
Yeah.
Fascinating.
Okay, so I want you to, Brandy, hold octopus leg like this.
Okay,
Okay, just one at a time.
one at a time.
Okay, I'll show you with this one. Okay, and we're gonna put tip of the legs first.
Very slowly.
Slowly lift. Slowly lift. See, it started
Why is it curling?
because of the temperature of water.
Wow.
And I'm doing this so water temperature don't get down so quickly.
Interesting.
Okay, would you like to try that?
I would like to try this.
Okay.
I've never done this in my life. Wow.
And lift.
Whoa! Look at it curling.
And I think it's gonna take about 15 minutes or so. So we should do something else.
Yes, I
we're-
would love to make some salmon sushi with you.
Okay, so Brandy, let's make sushi roll.
I would love to.
Okay.
I love salmon.
So we have Ocean World's approved Skinner River sockeye salmon.
And British Columbia has the best salmon, doesn't it?
Yes, best of British Columbia indeed. Okay, so I'm gonna slice it
Ooh.
like this. My knife is nice and shiny.
Very shiny.
Okay, we'll keep this.
And how did you learn how to make sushi?
Long story short, on YouTube.
No.
Well, I was in Ohio when I first started sushi making, and I was trained by a Japanese chef who was trained in Japan, and he taught me in hardcore Japanese way, which is Dai, stand behind me, watch, and learn.
Wow.
So this is what I was doing, like most of the night when I was apprentice. But you don't learn a lot from it.
No.
But luckily, there are lots of YouTube video available.
Unbelievable.
Okay, so we're gonna put
What's that?
sesame seeds.
Ooh, can I do it?
Yeah,
And why do you put sesame seeds on?
just for the flavor.
Wow.
Yeah.
And can I put it on yours?
Sure.
Ready?
Yeah.
Am I putting enough on?
Yeah.
Sesame seeds.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we're gonna flip like this.
Really? Okay.
Very good. There's a spicy sauce. Okay.
Right. Everything spicy is my favorite.
Okay, so I want it to go like below salmon.
Okay.
Just an easy line like this.
Is that okay?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Okay, and avocado. I use butter spread.
What?
2 cup avocado.
Okay, let's watch this magic.
Okay, go like this.
Ooh. Butter spreader.
Yeah, you want to put it under on top of your spicy sauce.
Wow. This is so cool. Okay, I'm not very good at this.
Well, first time is much harder than second time.
Exactly.
Okay, and you want to make it into square shape a little bit.
How do you do that?
Just push the bottom of the roll.
The sides.
Yeah,
And then you flatten the top?
a little bit. Yeah, good. So wet the knife. Let the water drop down.
Yes.
Find the center.
Yes. Yes.
Nice and easy. Don't push it.
Okay.
And put them together.
Okay.
Find the center.
Yes. Wow. Very smart. Looks awesome.
So when we open sushi,
Yes.
you know the side which is on the cutting board right
Yes.
now? Okay. Those side is flatter.
Yes.
So I want these guys to meet each other so it looks better. If you go like this, ugly.
Oh, really? Okay, hold on. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. And that's right, because we can sort of smush them down and nobody knows that the other side look terrible.
And not many people can cut sushi rolls like this flat.
Are you saying that I've done well?
You've done well. At the end, we grate wasabi.
Okay.
The reason why we waited till the end is the spiciness of wasabi only lasts 5 minutes,
Really?
right?
Okay.
So to grate, I make circle like this.
Wow.
And try.
I really do. I can't believe this. Is it really challenging to grow wasabi?
It is. It grows in soil. It grows in water as well. But the guy who harvests these wasabi in Vancouver Island, he has PhD.
Good for him.
Yeah.
PhD in wasabi is what I like.
Yeah. Okay. And we're gonna just let it put them together like in the shape of pyramid,
Yes, as I've seen it in the restaurant.
or I was told in the shape of Mount Fuji.
Okay, that's cool. Mount Fuji too. And then we are putting on some ginger, which is the best. Can we do a cheers here?
Sure. Cheers.
Well, thank you, Dai. I love sushi. That is delicious.
Like this way, you can taste the rice, you can taste the seafood, and you
Yes.
can taste the wasabi at the end.
Can I have some ginger too? Why do people have ginger at the end?
Well, ginger is supposed to be the palate cleanser. So if you are eating one fish to other kind of fish, eat ginger to clear your palate.
Wow. Well, I want another piece. Can we go for it?
Please, be my
Okay.
guest. And by the way, your sushi was amazing.
You think so?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Like most of the first time I tend to make it too hard.
Really?
Yeah.
Have some more too.
I will. Should I try yours or mine?
Try mine.
I will.
So you think there is a technique to how hard you make it? Is it like when you're pressing? Really? So I was gentle, and that had some rewards.
Right.
Okay. Well, I'd love to see that octopus before I go.
Okay.
Let's see what he's looking like. Wow, look at the color.
Yeah, it's nice and purple, right?
Beautiful.
That's what the green tea we put earlier does.
Wow.
So some people put these into ice cold water right away, but
Okay.
I'd rather keep it like this and let the heat inside the flesh cook it a little longer. And after that, I want to freeze it before serve it, so it breaks all the fiber and it tastes much, much better.
Wow.
So unfortunately, you can't try this today.
That's okay, because I had a wonderful sushi, and I just have to thank you so much, Dai, for teaching me how to make it. And I'm going to go home with these new skills and make some. I'm going to try anyway. Thank you.
Thank you for coming to Prince Rupert and love all the sustainable seafood.
Yummy. My time in Prince Rupert has been truly unforgettable. I'm eager to return to northern British Columbia to discover even more of the captivating people and untamed wilderness.